In the heart of the American dream lies a promise that hard work and determination can lead to a secure and prosperous life. Yet, for many in the middle class, this dream increasingly feels like a mirage. As waves of technological advancement sweep through the workforce, traditional pathways to success disappear, leaving individuals grappling with uncertainty. Imagine waking up one day to find your skills outdated, your job replaced by a machine, and the comfortable lifestyle you've known slipping through your fingers like sand. This isn't just a scene from a movie, it's the reality unfolding today. Join me as we discuss the shifts that are taking place within the middle class, explore the forces driving these changes, and uncover actionable strategies to not only survive, but thrive in this new economic landscape. Together, we'll navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities in this era of transformation, redefining what it means to achieve the American dream in the 21st century. Today, I'm going to explain why this is happening faster than ever before, and more importantly, share specific strategies to ensure you thrive in this new economy. But before we dive deeper, let's be clear about what we mean by middle class. It's not just about income, it's about having enough to afford decent housing, quality education for your kids, regular health care, and the ability to save for retirement. It's about having a financial buffer for emergencies and the capacity to invest in your future. Think of it as having enough breathing room to plan beyond your next paycheck. But here's the concerning part. This traditional middle-class lifestyle is becoming increasingly difficult to maintain, and the safety net that many relied on is rapidly disappearing. We're facing an unprecedented combination of factors squeezing the middle class from all directions. Think of it as a perfect storm, but unlike a weather event that passes quickly, this storm is here to stay. With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and automation, traditional middle-class professions that seemed secure just a decade ago are now being transformed or eliminated. Now let's look at some real examples of how technology is reshaping the world of traditional middle management positions. AI systems are now handling tasks and even basic decision-making. Basic accounting is automated, and medical diagnoses are being enhanced and sometimes replaced by machine learning systems. At customer service, AI chatbots are handling increasingly complex interactions. Even creative fields aren't immune. AI is now writing basic content, designing graphics, and composing music. But here's the key difference from previous technological shifts. Now it's not just about job loss, it's about job transformation. The successful middle-class professionals of tomorrow won't be competing with AI. Rather, they should be leveraging it. Here are specific skills that help you thrive in this new economy. Take these as automation-resistant skills, and they fall into several categories. First, there are complex problem-solving skills, not just following procedures, but creating new solutions to unprecedented problems. And there's emotional intelligence, the ability to understand, motivate, and collaborate with humans in ways that AI cannot creatively synthesize, combining ideas from different fields to create new solutions and strategy. But the most important skill is combining these human skills with technology. Now, let's get practical about protecting and growing wealth in this new economy. The traditional middle-class approach of saving money in a bank account isn't enough anymore. You need to think like an investor, not just a saver. Consider digital products, online courses, or subscription services businesses that can scale without requiring proportional time investment. Start small, but start now. Even with moderate capital, you can begin building these streams. For example, you could start by creating digital products related to your professional expertise, or build a small portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. How about creating multiple income streams? Start by leveraging your existing skills and experience. Are you a professional in any field? Consider creating online courses or consulting services. Good at explaining things? Create educational content or start a YouTube channel. Have some capital to invest? Look into dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts. The key is to start small but think big. Begin with one additional income stream and gradually expand. Build side businesses that eventually become the main income source, protecting you from job market uncertainties. The education systems are struggling to keep up with the pace of change. The solution? Taking control of your own learning journey. Set aside 10% of your income for continuous education, not just formal degrees, but also specialized courses, certifications, and practical skills development. Focus on skills that complement rather than compete with automation, for example. Instead of just learning data analysis, learning how to interpret data insights, and creating strategic recommendations. Instead of basic coding, learn about AI implementation and integration. The key is to stay ahead of the curve, not chase it. Financial resilience is crucial in this changing landscape. Here's a specific framework. First, build a larger emergency fund than traditionally recommended. Aim for 6 to 12 months of expenses. Second, create a career transition fund separate from your emergency fund. Money specifically set aside for future upskilling or business opportunities. Third, develop a skills portfolio just like you would an investment portfolio, diverse with both safety and growth opportunities. Finally, build a network of professionals in different fields. This social capital can be as valuable as financial capital in times of transition for the middle class. As we know, it might be changing. But that doesn't mean you have to be a victim of this transformation by understanding these trends and taking strategic action. Now you can position yourself to thrive in the new economy by implementing just one strategy from the strategies mentioned, or find a new skill creating an additional income stream, or restructuring your investments. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. If you found this information valuable, make sure to follow this channel for more practical advice on navigating the changing financial landscape. Remember, the best time to prepare for change is before it happens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.